everyone.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am also fine. My name is Tanishka Saini. I am standing before you to deliver my second speech of past simple. Firstly, I woke up at 8 a.m. in the morning. Later on, I wore my sweater and socks. Thereafter, I went downstairs and brushed my teeth. Thereafter, I opened the gate of my house. Then my father came and he opened the gate of my garden. Later on, I went upstairs and I switched on my tab and I connected it with my headphone. Thereafter, I saw the timetable of my school, and according to timetable, I took out the maths book and my maths rough copy. Thereafter, I attended my maths class. In my maths class, our ma'am taught us. In my maths class, our ma'am taught us about algebraic sums, and we had solved the sums. Thereafter, I went to downstairs to attend. Thereafter, I went to downstairs and I had my tea. Thereafter, I went upstairs to attend my second online class, and I again saw the timetable. And according to timetable, I took out the science book, and when I saw in the WhatsApp, it was showing that there is no class student, there is a test. Then I wrote the test in my copy and clicked the photo, and I submitted it in the assessment section. Thereafter there is a break of 20 minutes, and at the 20 minutes break I went downstairs and there I had my breakfast. Later on I went outside in my campus. There the puppies came and I played with them for 10 to 15 minutes. Thereafter I went to attend my third online class. In my third online class, I took out the book of SST, and the SST, our ma'am taught us about our ma'am taught us history. In the history, our ma'am taught us about how the rules came and how did the people disagreed or agreed with it. Thereafter, I attended a fourth class, which was of English literature. In my English literature class, our ma'am continued the chapter which was left yesterday because of time. Thereafter, after attending all the online classes, I cleaned the room of mine and my parents. Thereafter, I took out my parrots from their cage and cleaned their cages. Later on, I went to my garden to give food to my rabbits, and meanwhile I cleaned their cages. Thereafter I had washed because I had cleaned their cages of my rabbit, and many of the people say that because of the rabbit's urine there is the TB causes. That's why I had washed. Later on I went upstairs. And in my upstairs I put on my parrot at the upside of their cage. Thereafter I came to downstairs and had shower. Later on I dressed up. Thereafter I had my lunch. Meanwhile I watched TV. In my TV I watched the show which name is The Legend of Hanuman. Thereafter I went to my room and I took out the copy of Hindi and I learned the chapters of Hindi for my test, which was starting from my PA test, which was starting from 6 and 6th, and they will continue till the 29th of January. Thereafter I studied from 1:30 or 2 o'clock from 4 o'clock. Later on I watched TV for 30 minutes or more. Then I dress up for my coaching. Then I dressed up for my coaching. Later on I went to my coaching. In my coaching, firstly me and my friend gave our intro. Thereafter the sir came and he said, why don't you join the online class with me? There are some students, but there is one student who is giving the speech, and me and my friend went to the sir's class. Later on we were there for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, and we listened the whole speech. It was a speech of present simple singular number. Thereafter our teacher came, who was Jhanam, and we went to our room. And when we went to our classroom, and in my classroom our ma'am given us the sentence in past simple tense, which is past simple tense of which I am giving the speech. Thereafter me and my friend shown their homework, and our ma'am checked our homework, and she told us the mistake that you have done a mistake in past simple tense. You have to make inverted sentence, and you had make it continuous. You had made it in affirmative. Later on our ma'am given us the chapter of present continuous tense. Thereafter I came to my home and had wash. Later on I went to outside with my friend. Later on I went outside to play badminton with my friend. After playing badminton for half an hour or 1 hour, I came to my home and I had wash. Thereafter I had my snacks. Meanwhile I watched TV for 15 or 20 minutes. Then I studied of Hindi Vyakaran. In Hindi Vyakaran I was underlining the sentences in the book. Thereafter I read them. Later on I had my dinner at 9 o'clock or something. Meanwhile we watched a movie which name was Encanto. It was a cartoon movie. Thereafter my father and my mother, we went to our bedroom, and there we saw the serial. The serial name was Appu Ki Ulta Palta and Bhabhi Ji Ghar Par Hain. Thereafter we all slept. Thereafter I took a sound sleep. Thank you, and there.